Thanks for tuning in to Straight Bourbon Talk, where we keep it real with a whole lot of tough love. So if you don't like tough love, you might want to turn me off. But since you're still here, let's go. I'm your host, Knowledge, and I appreciate your time. And most of all, I appreciate you being present. The topic for today is not giving up what people think. Let's keep it real. I know you have heard it, and I know you've probably seen it where people say they don't care what others think. And some may say they do care what others think, right? That's the other side of it. Then you see the battle between the battle between those two perspectives on which side you should do, which side you shouldn't do. First, ask yourself, do you care what others think of you? Do you think what you do affect others? How is this going to serve you? And do you think others care what you think? I'll share my perspective on this topic. I do care what others think to an extent. I believe it's healthy to consider what others think of you. I do. Especially if what they can tell you actually benefits you. Also, probably even more importantly, if you value them as a person or a special person of your in your life, then I feel like you should care what they think. I appreciate and have much respect for the people in my life. They actually mean something to me. Everyone can't say that, but I can. And if you have people in your life that's close to you and that are there for you, you should value those people as well. Don't get me wrong. This does not mean I'm going to live my life to please anyone else. It is my life after all. So don't think considering others' thoughts of what they think of you mean that I'm going to live my life for others. Because that's not what I'm saying, and that's not what I'm going to do. However, out of respect for them, I will refrain from doing certain things when I'm around them, merely out of respect. And I also will do certain things out of respect for them. You see, it's the small things that go a long way and that mean a lot when you care about someone and care about what they think of you. It's almost as if people using this saying, "Don't care what others think," as like some kind of wall of some sort. Looking at things from the other perspective, I can see how some people may say they could see where caring what others think could do more harm than doing any good. There are some people out here with weak and thin skin. And if that's you, don't shy away from this. And don't be in denial and try to act tough or to turn the attention off of you. These people find it harder to take things from others, especially people they care about. They find themselves fixating on their life and how to fit into other people's life and how to fit in other people's wishes and desires and opinions of them, which can be stressful and exhausting. Some people may even find themselves in identity crisis or worse, in a depression. I know it's easier said than done. However, if you happen to have thin skin, find a way to build tough skin. Or how to filter what you should care about and what you shouldn't care about. If you feel you can't do it, then consider getting an accountability partner for this matter alone. I'm not talking about the accountability partner that you work out with or the accountability partner making sure you're eating healthy or any of that stuff. Get an accountability partner specifically for this right here. See if that helps you. It may not. You never know. But just be open to trying new things to get a better outcome in life. Having different views on something is normal, and these things are not worth discussing numerous of times, knowing where it can lead the mood. There are some things you just must take off the table of discussions with some people. If you care about someone, but you both know you do not share those same beliefs or those same views, just take it off the table. It's not worth the headache, it's not worth the fight, and it's definitely not worth losing a relationship or friendship because you just have different views. In short, care what others think of you if you value them, and if there is benefit coming from the opinion that will bring quality to your life. So, until next time, I appreciate you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you feel like someone could benefit from this video, please share on any of your platforms. Go out there, care what others think. But when it has nothing to do with you and no value added to you, don't give up what they think. Peace. Why would I do that? Because I said so.